Today I joined my friend secretly and I'm in her house and I'm gonna hide until she. Whoa. Today I secretly joined my friend in Brookhaven. I'm running as quick as I can. 2. Hell nah. What? Oh, hell nah. What on earth happened in there? I bet she won't see me. Under the table, under the table, under the table. Never mind. Can't fit under the table. Oh, hell no, I'm not that. I'm so tired of being short. Just grow. Yeah. I'm just gonna stay short. Boing, 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 boing. Easy? No, what is easy? Teleport. Where's this house party? Maybe. Go. Ooh. Ooh. How dare they? With my little smile. I am here. Talking Poppy 5. I've never, ever driven a car before. Maybe I can find out really easily. Oh, I can choose my speed. Ooh, good. Ah, just lost the time. That's why I don't have a car. Because of that reason. Maybe I can get back there. What? It's the police. It's the police. It's the police. It's the police. It's the Mr. Police, sir. It's Mr. Police, sir. It's Mr. Police, sir. It's Mr. Police, sir. Mr. Police. Mr. Police. Mr. Police. Mr. Police. Side. Also, I like the emotes here. The console version make this my Roblox avatar.
O mano te convocou, talvez senta ou com o popô. O mano te convocou, talvez senta com o popô. É vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo.